don't have as much time as you think you do. Quality of life over quantity of life. And so we make the most of every single moment.
When people leave this conference, they need to remember it's about the beneficiary.
The problems don't get simpler, they get more complicated, and certainly with the growth of Medicaid.
I came to the conference to learn best practices, to network, and just learn more about the resources here at Medicaid.
There's so many industry leaders here that are doing innovative things that you can really gain a lot of knowledge.
It's a great place to go to find out high-level decisions and see what's going to be handed down.
Great session, sure, but a very high-quality crowd that's friendly, that's passionate about this market, a lot of sort of diverse perspectives.
There are physicians here. I've met hospital execs, CEOs of companies. I've met people who are working in the trenches.
The vendor community has been absolutely fantastic. Some of the ideas that they have that our members are looking at is really exciting for me.
Building on the success of last year's conference, great education, great networking. I think there's a lot of momentum behind this segment.
You go to a lot of these conferences where it's just so rigid, but with mhpa, they just do a fantastic job.
So they're hearing real stories that are inspiring. My daughter, she has a shortened life expectancy. Our insurance company, their willingness to try to put a plan together that would work. I can't thank them enough for giving my daughter the quality of life that I couldn't have given her without their help.
And it's a great way to come together, see people that have a common passion, a common interest, want to do something that actually is relevant at the end of the day.
As you start to talk with each other, you start to make those connections that can lead to change for the rest of the industry.
So many people stopped and said, your story really made an impact on me, and it really reminded me of why we do what we do.
We all have the same basic problem as far as communication, accessing our members, all that kind of stuff is covered, and I think that's what you miss if you're not here.
Social events have been good. Networking is always fun.
It's a great conference.
This is really the wave of the future.
I'm excited.